This episode is sponsored by the Varda Saffron. Well, as committed by Dr. Vishwas, he got this amazing ice cream place called Pabbas. You can see it right behind me. Okay, and he did not wait for us. He's already in. So we're gonna go inside and explore Pabbas ice creams. So let's go in. Let's not waste time. So we are inside Pabbas finally, and please excuse the noise. There are too many people inside, and the reason there are too many people is because this place is way too famous for its ice creams. And we have with us Vinita, okay, who is the public relationship manager for Pabbas. Vinita, thank you so much for having us here. You got to tell us a lot about Pabbas because I can see a lot of people here.
Yeah.
You got to tell us how the name came in,
Okay.
what do you exactly serve, and whatever you think is important.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please go.
Hello everyone. My name is Vinita. As he told, I'm working as a PR here. So first of all, very thank you to show us in your channel. First, I want to tell that the Pabbas name. Actually, our brand is an ideal. Pabbas came from our honor name, Mr. Prabhakar Kamath sir. So people used to call him like Pub Mom and all. So it came as a Pabbas. And we serve varieties of an ice cream. I don't know that you may not about knowing that ice cream, but there are so many varieties, and the execution of the ice cream is totally different from other part of this parlor and all. There are so many varieties. In that, Gadbad is a signature ice cream. It's famous from the long time. You can like approximately started from the 1973 or 75, approximately 40 years I think. Same thing is carrying on now. Gadbad, there are varieties in Gadbad also. It's a special Gadbad, fruity Gadbad and regular Gadbad. Dry fruits are there, fruit flavor ice creams are there. So people love to come here because you know that there is no crystal pieces or something. Very smoothie ice creams, very hygiene place. Children, elder, everybody love here. Even though if it is a crowd, people will wait outside. They have the patience to stand outside for that ice cream. So imagine how much the people love the ice cream.
How many people do you usually, have here
So,
in a day?
frankly speaking, I never counted that. Because we will be too busy in that. We just carry on our work. We never,
100, 200 in a day, 300 in a day.
maybe.
I think it will be easily 1,500.
1,500 people a day. Wow.
Because Saturday, Sunday, weekends, so we can't say all because we ourselves will be busy making them to sit, to arrange the place for them. And moreover, there's a token system also. They have to take the token, they have to wait outside. After that, only then we will arrange the place, then only they can enter the inside. So it's like that.
So this place is not just ice cream, it's like a fine dine restaurant, a number of people who are here.
That is thank you from you. Yeah, that's what. Like people are having, I should say that we are thankful to the people. Otherwise, who will wait outside, sir, for ice cream and all? Imagine. So we are that much thankful to the customers. They wait outside. Even though it take 1 hour, no, they will wait with the token. Even in the hot, if it is raining, if it's too much hot also, they will wait for their ice cream.
Well, thank you so much, Vinita, for all this information. I think we're wasting way too much time talking right now. I think we're going to have our ice cream and let's see what we have to eat, right, guys? And thank you again, Vishwas, for this amazing place. Thank you, sir. And never to forget Mr. Avinash and our Priya. So, and yes.
So this is an ice cream called Parfait. It has vanilla, orange and pista, mixed fruits and kesar ice cream. This ice cream is very famous in fruit based. Customer, those who like fruits and all, content of fruit more, they go for the Parfait. So this ice cream called as Dil Kush. It has 3 flavors, kesar, strawberry and vanilla. with little bit of vermicelli, fruits and cashew nuts. This is also very famous, and this because some customers like vermicelli and combination of fruits. So this is one of the famous. So now, yeah, this is the signature ice cream. This is called as Gadbad. This has kesar, special strawberry and vanilla with jelly and fruits. A very long old classical ice cream. People from different part of country or a state, as they reach pabbas, they never ask the variety of an ice cream. They directly order Gadbad. They blindly believe in this ice cream. This is we called as a king of the ice cream. Now this is called as a tiramisu. This is ice cream. Those who love chocolate more, combination of Irish coffee and chocolate. It has an Irish coffee, chocolate vanilla, chocolate cake, chocolate pieces and cashew nuts. On the top you will have this one cream with chocolate syrup and cakes and all. Very famous in chocolate. Youngsters especially love this because of chocolate. This is one of the most innovative ice cream called as a pizza ice cream. This is chocolate type pizza, a base of chocolate plus vanilla ice cream, chocolate syrup and roasted almond. A very innovative ice cream. Vanilla pizza. It has jellies on the top with vanilla ice creams and vanilla cake. This is called as a caramel pizzas, which contains a caramel flavor ice creams with roasted almond on the top and little bit of chocolate sauce. Now this comes a very innovative ice cream called as a marzipan. It looks like also pan only. See the size of that. A completely taste of pan, but with that it has a little bit ice creams inside. When you have it, it tastes completely as a pan.
So by now we have seen multiple flavors Pabbas has to offer. Now let's understand from Vinita who actually comes with these ideas. Vinita,
Yes.
do let us know who actually does the innovation for these ice creams.
Yeah, that is a very good question. Actually, people should know this. Each and everything, any innovative ice creams, anything related to innovation, all done by our respected boss, Mr. Mukund Kamath sir. Anything he always does, he always does any innovations and all. Like for example, marzipan, pizzas, everything behind all this ice cream is his brain. And I also want to mention that we have bagged so many awards when we are for the golden ice creams, chocolate, and this marzipan and one jackfruit scoop. That is also very innovative ice creams that by the due point of nutrition.